So yan guys, I'm back. This is your chef for today's video. Okay, let's go. So 500 yung goals natin. Finally, let's learn how to add some garnish. Let's make steak with lemon. Makes me hungry just thinking about it. Okay, first let's cook a rare steak. Okay, rare steak. Rare steak. Ay, pwede na. Place is nice on the plate with grill and steak. You always add the garnish to the plate before steak is done. Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you. Hi, ma'am. What can I do for you? Uy, uy, uy. Lemon. Okay, thank you for coming, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your meal. Garnish with lemon. Luto ka niyan. Thank you. Oh, steak. Steak. Mali. Mali tayo na lagay, guys. Kagulo na guys. Kagulo na guys. Nagkagulo-gulo na guys. Kagulo-gulo na guys. 500 plus guys. Ayan guys, medyo bumabagal tayo guys. Medyo mahirap yung kanal natin ngayon. Medium, burn. Yun! Ito magalit, ma'am. This is for you, ma'am. Sayang guys, pero okay lang. Nakatarget naman tayo guys.